It is a video about the rumored Suzuki GSX-R1000R 2023. This is Suzuki GSX-R1000R 2023 rendered based on rumors and requests from people. This is not the official Suzuki GSX-R1000R 2023 design from Suzuki company. Since the launch of the new generation GSX-S1000 and GSX-S1000 GT, there have been more skepticism about the new generation GSX-R1000R 2023. There are many rumors that the GSX-R1000R will be changed to a completely new appearance instead of keeping its 5-year-old design. A lot of people think that the GSX-R1000R will remove the design of one headlight. In my opinion, GSX-R1000R 2023 will have a front headlight design more similar to Suzuki Hayabusa. Because if it has a headlight design similar to Hayabusa, it will still retain the traditional features of the GSX-R1000R. Rumors from commenters on the forums suggest that the 2023 GSX-R1000R will inherit the engine from the Suzuki Katana 1000, but be tweaked to suit a sportback and friendly with Euro-5 standards. The most important thing when the new generation GSX-R1000R 2023 is launched is its engine. It is likely that it will be equipped with a 999cc engine and a maximum capacity of over 200 horsepower instead of 199cc of the old GSX-R1000R version. Okay, do you like Suzuki GSX-R1000R 2023? Let's meet now in the comments. Now, goodbye and see you.